A new malaria drug for newborns was just approved by Swissmedic. It was assessed in 8 African countries. Some call it a breakthrough. Others are asking, is Africa being used as a global laboratory? Let's talk. Coartem Baby, a cherry-flavored breast milk-soluble medicine for newborns under 5 kilograms, is the first ever malaria treatment for this age group, approved in early July 2025. The review and approval were done with the help of regulatory bodies from 8 African countries. Sounds great, right? But this raises a critical question. Why is Africa always the first testing ground? This isn't new. Remember HIV drugs in the early 2000s? Ebola vaccine trials in West Africa, COVID vaccine trials in South Africa and Kenya, malaria vaccine pilot programs in Ghana, Malawi, and Kenya. Global Pharma often tests first in Africa, then ships the results west. There are legitimate reasons. Africa carries the heaviest burden of diseases like malaria. The population is large, diverse, and often treatment naive. Many global health organizations like WHO and Gavi partner with African countries for faster, real-world trials. But there's more. Weaker regulations, less oversight, and often lower transparency. Testing in Africa is not the problem. The problem is, are communities fully informed? Are drugs made available and affordable after approval? Are African scientists leading the research or just helping with data collection? The worst-case scenario? Trials happen here, data goes abroad, and the drugs come back at unaffordable prices. What needs to change? Transparency in clinical trials, shared ownership of data, stronger African-led regulatory agencies, guaranteed post-trial access to drugs, investment in African manufacturing and research hubs. Africa shouldn't just be a testing ground, it should be a powerhouse in drug development, ethics, and production. What do you think? Is this a new era of global health cooperation, or just old systems repeating themselves? Comment below. Subscribe for more global health stories that matter.